Holy, what's going on out here? Why are these guys here? Hey, you guys aren't allowed here. Yeah. Yeah, you guys aren't allowed here. What are you guys doing out here? I guess that works fine for now, hey? Not even going to give them the tent to sleep in, hey? Destroyed?
Yeah, ripped to shreds.
You guys having fun? Yeah, it's going to rain tonight. They don't have a temporary home. Again, they're only going here. Hopefully we'll be gone within a week or two. They are being listed for sale. So, Bucky, neutered, doe, and black one over there is a doe too. And of course, debudded, horns, and horns. Yeah, I'm going to take some tin and make something temporary across those two fence poles there. Well, fence poles, 2x6s. Going to make something just really temporary for them. I was thinking, I got my old trailer in the bush in Crownland, the old tow behind trailer, camper trailer. Might just drag that here, might work. But hey, they're eating a lot of stuff, that's for sure. Maybe they'll clear that out in a week or two, right? Right, Doey? Bucky? I mean, or, oh, I'm getting lost already. No, that's the buck. And that's the buck, yeah. Well, we're on our way to take down the goat house, and you guys can see that it's starting to rain. It's gonna be a good one. We seen this was on the radar to start at 2 o'clock, and what time is it?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, and that was at your house, and technically it's about 20 minutes early, I guess, but I mean, this is just the edge of the storm. The main stuff's over there still, but yeah, it's gonna be interesting.
That lightning is probably right over there by now.
Yeah.
I saw that maybe.
Well, we'll see how it is when we get there. See? You guys think my yard's a junkyard, hey? What about your yard?
It's not my yard.
Well, this part is kind of.
No, it's not. This part is absolutely not my yard.
Then what's this?
This is my junkyard.
Well, that's still stuff that was in your yard before.
No, it wasn't. All that stuff was here when I got here.
Remember, a little bit bigger of a trailer this time. Yeah, I guess the plans to turn that into a shop aren't going to happen no more.
I'm going to let you out here?
Nah, just go up top. Yeah.
This is going to be fun.
Just don't clip the fence and you're good.
Am I good on that side?
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, am I or am
Oh, yeah. You had miles in between.
This is where it's going to be tricky.
Uh-oh. Logan came running out already. He's like, hey, what the hell? That's what we're taking down right there, because that's being moved. Hey, a slide. That could be fun. Poles. Take those. Huh. I might be able to use that for... Or this one here might be good for a shed. That used to be for the goats to play on. I kind of see them in there, I think. Maybe not.
There's Mr. Brown.
Yeah. That door would be good for a goat house.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
The whole thing would be so simple to just put 4 posts in the ground and then put that on top of it.
If we flipped it upside down, we could put a lot of stuff inside it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's see how heavy it is. Oh, man. Really? Hey, put that thing away. What were you doing? Oh, so much redneck gold. I want it all.
Make it all fit.
I know.
You didn't give a shit about it. This is what I'd like to take.
Yeah.
That's still in good shape.
You know something? Even that stove piping there for an outside like shit shack, hunting shack. It is pretty sweet. Make a firewood cart.
All this needs is new wood, really.
10 tires.
Well, and tires, but I mean, theoretically, you could
Pull it
even
on the
change
rims.
them up and put skis on it.
Yeah.
It's got,
Yeah, a little ski wagon.
Yeah.
you know.
Back to your truck.
Was he just dragging that?
No, what the hell is that?
What?
Oh, that's part of the dampener system.
Yeah.
There's a couple washing dryers over there.
Get a shot at some of this. I'll turn
The redneck gold pile.
redneck gold pile, hey?
Green delicious country. A lot of this. Damn. There we go.
So everything that's in this pile, except I think this little pile of cans here, was here on the property when I moved in.
And you moved it all into one pile?
And I moved it all into piles and then gradually found its way in here.
Huh.
But this is an old house site.
Yeah, it must be.
Nice and
Oh, look at that metal mesh there, hey?
light. Nice and light.
Don't fall. Yeah, I'm just getting attacked by what ends up being a mattress underneath me, which is very springy.
Yeah,
That's springy.
that would make excellent harrows.
Yeah. Hmm. Hmm.
I never seen that, or I might have actually taken that.
An old hone. That is worth keeping. That's worth $40 new.
Yeah.
An old drill. Yeah.
If you actually fix this up, I might.
Yeah, it'd be too rotten electronics.
Hey, take that little piece of that mesh.
This one?
Well, no, the square one. Let's just have your hand on it.
That?
No.
Watch out.
Part of a car.
Dodge. Oh, for a barbecue.
No, I was thinking
Vent.
ventilation for the gold house.
Yeah.
You can take this one.
That one there is a nice one.
I can actually lift that up for you.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to go through this a little bit more. That's an old welder's extension cord there.
Yeah. I was going to ask you if you wanted that, because it looks like a good one, but
There's a nice
Yeah.
bucket there too.
kind of destroyed too.
Yeah, a lot of it looks pretty destroyed. Oh. I'll browse around a little, see what I find. Well, we just took a walk up to the back. Long story short is we wanted the property marker to go up to that tree right there.
Just past
And
the tree.
just past the tree and all the way around, but no, the owner started putting in the markers right here, which is literally 30 feet from the back of the shop. And long story short is no.
Yeah, that's not going to cut it.
Yeah, that's just not gonna work. Not enough. But yeah, he started putting in this marker here and the poles in, and it's just not gonna work. It would have been way too small. He started going to the end there, then back that way. It was just way too small.
And you get loaded.
What a mess. What a mess.
I don't think you boys need me anymore. I'm going to go in the house and get some stuff together.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Well, it's taken down. Be another load here to do some cleaning, and of course I'm making sure there's no tools left here, but trailer's a little heavy, but everything looks good, nothing's forgotten. Okay. Hey, you guys making a friend? Do I see a gopher?
Might be a chipmunk. Looks like he's had
Oh. Where do you go? I was watching the camera. Oh, I see him. He's still there. Should we chase him into the goats? Maybe goats will eat him. Oh, there he goes. Right there. Do you see him?
Yep.
He's right here. Right. There he goes. Oh, yeah, it's actually just a chippy. He's a cute one. Kind of like these guys. Look at this local wildlife. Is the grass better on the other side? Is the grass better on the other side? Hey, 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 hey. Grass better on the other side? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe you want to be free range. You want to go play in the pine. Yeah. Where are you getting out? I don't see where she's getting out. Oh. Hmm. Okay, this is the 4th time in a row, and oh, look, he just seen how. Look at that.
Might be too big though.
We found a hole in the fence.
Just got a siren.
Inside. Okay, throw it back in. Okay, throw her over the edge. So let's see if she goes right to the same spot. Oh, look at this hole right here too. She could get out there. Okay, I'll have to patch that one too. Yeah, well, maybe she's not going to go to it. Maybe she's seen what I did. She's like, yeah, I seen you. Like, hey, no, hey, what's up? Why did you do that to me? Guys, you can't. Yeah, we'll fix this one here too. Yeah. I'll wrap it with wire. She could go through that one easy. Ah, you never cut your hand off. Ah.
Go fuck yourself.
I know, hey?
I gotta text Jordan first.
Are you stuck? Proxy? Really? There's nails sticking out the bottom of that. That's not good.
Jordan.
I just get an emergency call. That Proxy's gone, and look. She's stuck underneath here. What the hell? Proxy. Just stay, Proxy. I'll get you out. Oh, yeah. That's a lot of weight on there. I told the old man, Proxy, just wait. Just wait. Wait. I'll get you out. Just wait. You are a brat. The whole bottom is falling out of this damn thing and you're under there. I gotta take your harness off, Proxy. Or no, you're coming out. Okay, just wait. Okay. Slowly. Come on. Slowly.
Oh.
That is not good. That's a temporary fix anyway. What a bratty dog. She's out. Everything's good. Sidewalk blocks put in place. Now I gotta clean my boots and get back to work. Good thing I'm only a few minutes away.